Hello friends, Namaskar. Life is full of learning and there are various sources to learn. But learning from the people is one of the effective sources of the learning because it provides not only the insights and inspiration but also enhance the problem solving skills. If the person is having right attitude to learn, then he or she can learn not only from the success but also from the failure of the persons. Let me share one beautiful story written by a famous poet and author, John Ardberg. And the name of the story is When the Game is Over, It All Goes in the Box. He wrote when he was a child, his grandma used to visit his home during the winter vacation. She was a terrific player of Monopoly game and he used to play the game with her. But each time, at the end of the game, she would win the game and he would lose the game. Looking him disappointed, his grandmother would say, "Don't worry, John. One day you will also learn to play the game and win the game." But John was very desperate to win the game. That is why he practiced the game intensively with the friends and the incredible players and learned all the tricks and techniques to win the game. Next time when his grandma visited his home, he was very excited and asked her, "Grandma, let's play the game." This time, John completely wiped her out. And at the end of the game, he had everything and she had nothing. He was cherishing his victory. His grandmother smiled and said, "Congratulations, John. Now you know how to play and win the game. But remember one thing. When the game is over, it all goes in the box." "What?" John asked surprisingly. She replied, "Everything you bought, everything you accumulated. Only one thing you can save, that is your soul, your inner conscious, where you can accumulate the human values, love, respect, kindness, compassion, and helpfulness. And remember one more thing. If you want to grow in your life, then meet the people, love them, respect them, learn from them. And all of a sudden you will find one day that your all dreams, desires, goals and objectives have been fulfilled and your life has become meaningful. That is all about the life. Thank you very much.